Let's Learn Evil by Interpol. Rosemary, heaven restores you in life. You're coming with me. Feeling the fear and the strife. Hey, wait, good smile. Sensitive to fake, not to deny. Hey, who's on trial? It took a lot, and with no cellmate, a long way back. Cindy, why can't we look the other way? Those are all the parts of Evil by Interpol. It starts out with a little bass riff, and it's good to learn because these are all your root notes on your chords. F at the 8th fret, B flat at 6, A at 5, go to your A string and play D at 5. Okay, and the chords that go with that would be F major, B flat major, A minor, D minor. You can play it with all power chords, and then you don't have to worry about major or minor. And then the part where he's kind of like doing this spoken word almost, is like, that's just F, A minor. And this is how they play it. They just play like little triads. Just F to A minor. And when that ends, you go back into the first chord progression, F. That's where he's like, hey, wait. And then the final part is the chorus, which is took a lifetime, F. Go right to the D minor. All the same chords. So that's F, D minor, B flat, A. Just a different order. Different rhythm. And then the second part, we get a new chord, C. It goes C to B flat, and then starts over on F. Yeah, the song is in the key of F. Okay, so that's how you play that one. Thanks for watching. Have fun playing it.